Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're going to create a desktop shortcut now. First, make sure the Microsoft Store game is installed and launches normally. That prevents broken shortcuts. Next, open Start and search the exact game name so Windows shows its tile. Once seen, right-click the tile or press Shift plus F10 to open the context menu. This exposes the options you need. Do this step carefully because Windows Store apps behave differently than classic EXEs, and we'll use the menu to get to the shortcut creation controls. Now create the actual shortcut. If Start shows Open File Location, click it and then right-click the app shortcut in File Explorer to choose Send to Right Arrow Desktop, Create Shortcut. If that option is missing, drag the Start tile to the desktop with the right mouse button and choose Create Shortcuts here when prompted. Alternatively, open Run, type Shell, Apps folder, find the game, right-click and choose Create Shortcut. Windows will prompt to place it on the desktop. Accept that prompt to finish this step. Finish by customizing and verifying the shortcut. Rename it to something clear, and optionally pin it to taskbar or Start for faster access. Make sure it launches the correct UWP game. If you see only a store icon or it opens the store, delete and recreate the shortcut using Shell, Apps folder instead of drag and drop. If the game still won't start, repair or reset the app from Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Advanced Options. Then test again. Most issues clear after repairing the Microsoft Store.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.